For those asking how they can claim their Binance account bond token, congratulations, this tutorial is for you. So to claim this Binance account bond token, these are the easiest steps while using a mobile app. So this is my own page of Binance on my mobile app. So right here, you can see Binance Academy deposit in referral and more. So click on the more. Once you click on the more, at the top here, you can see recommend, announcement, then you see common function, then you see gifts and campaign. You move over to gifts and campaign. Once you move over to gift and campaign, only then you will see it's supposed to be here, gift and campaign. Yes, that's BABT, that's Binance account bond token. Once you click on it, I've already clicked mine, I've claimed mine. So let's just give it some time to load. You can see say connect wallet. You can see view accounts because I've already claimed mine. So this is mine showing right here. So meanwhile, so you follow the process. You will be charged 1 BUSD for this transaction, and the BUSD have to be in your Binance account. So you link it up with a trust wallet is preferably, because most of the projects are dropping to people holding this token are usually on the trust wallets, that's Binance Smart Chain, BSC. So it's advisable to use trust wallet to do the claiming, and make sure you have 1 BUSD on your account. And again, please, this particular, if anybody out there are saying they want to sell their Binance account bond token to you, please don't buy. It cannot be sold, because you can actually unmint it, then mint it to a new address, which if you see somebody who wants to sell, the person can unmint it in his Binance account, then mint it to a new address, which will be your own trust wallet. But do you know one thing? That person can also unmint it from your account without your permission, because this thing is happening on the person's Binance account. So instead of you buying, create a Binance account and go through your KYC. Then you are eligible for this particular Binance account bond token. All right, see you guys. So don't forget to subscribe, to turn on the bell notification for more airdrop. And like I told you before, I'll be sharing more of Binance account bond token airdrops, those ones who are giving airdrops to those holders. All right, thank you guys. See you guys later.